Good day. Welcome to the TOEIC Reading Practice Part 5 in Complete Sentences. Today, we're going to talk about word families, adjectives, and adverbs. I am Teacher Addie, and I'll be your teacher for today. Let's have the word families about adjectives and adverbs. Now, what are word families? Word families are words that have the same root words but different affixes. Here are some of the examples. Notice the highlighted letters in red. These are suffixes added to the root words to form them into adjectives or adverbs. When suffixes are added and new words are formed, well, they also form different meanings. Now, what are adjectives? They are words that describe a person, a place, or a thing. Some of them are beautiful, angry, loud, round, and blue. On the other hand, adverbs are words or phrases that modify or qualify an adjective, verb, or another adverb, like agreeably, gently, abnormally, and crazily. These are the most commonly used suffixes that are added to the root words to form adjectives and adverbs. Let's read them together. For adjectives, we have able, ible, ish, al, ful, less, ive, ous, and ic. For adverbs, we have ly, ward, wise. These are a few examples of the adjectives formed through the use of suffixes. We have understandable, collectible, national, hopeful, active, advantageous, and iconic. What are the suffixes used in these examples? Yes, we have able, ible, al, ful, ive, ous, and ic. Now here are the few examples of adverbs formed through the use of suffixes. We have understandably, carefully, badly, partially, afterward, and likewise. What are the suffixes used in these adverbs? Correct. They are ly, ward, and wise. The following are sentences which contains adjectives. Number 1. The employees live in a beautiful condo. The adjective is beautiful. Number 2. This opportunity is advantageous. Our adjective is advantageous. Number 3. These active workers were acknowledged, and the adjective is active. Lastly, number 4. A biological experiment is being considered. Biological is the adjective. These are the sentence examples containing adverbs. Number 1. The beautifully painted landscape is amazing. What is the adverb? It is beautifully. Next, she finished the exam quickly, and quickly is our adverb. Number 3. The teacher firmly disciplined the students. The adverb is firmly. And number 4. He delivered his speech badly. Badly is the adverb used in the sentence. In the previous lesson, you have already learned the strategies used when answering about word families. Let us have a review. First strategy: narrow down or eliminate choices using grammar clues. Number 2, if you don't know the answer, proceed to the next one. This way, you have the assurance to have answered all the questions you are sure about. Moreover, this will give you more time to look back and think of the answers for the previous questions you skipped. Being able to pay the cost of something means that it is blank. A. Afford, B. Affordable, C. Affordably, or D. Afforded. Using the first strategy, let us look for words or clues to help us in narrowing down the answer. Is commonly used before a noun or an adjective. In here, we need an adjective. Letters A and D are clearly not the answers because of this. The only answer that fits in this requirement is letter B, affordable. The employees can blank understand the real situation. This is a tricky sentence. Let us use grammar clues. The word before the answer is can, a modal verb that must be followed by a verb. The word after the answer is understand. So the answer is a part of speech that can be put between a modal verb and a main verb. Only an adverb fits to be used. Therefore, the answer is letter C, clearly. The next part of our lesson is the practice exercises. Make sure to listen carefully to each item and try to guess the answers. Number 1. Have you met the blank staff? A. Renew. B. New. C. A new. Or D. Newly. The word after the blank is staff. The word is a noun. Also, you are using a definite article, the, before the blank. Clearly, what we need is an adjective. So the answer is B. New. Number 2. The technicians follow the procedures blank. A. Improper. B. Properant. C. Proper. Or D. Properly. If we ask the question, how do the technicians follow the procedures? The answer leads us to an adverb. Remember that adverb describes how the action is done. The only adverb from the choices is D. Properly. Number 3. The manager blank read the report. A. Carefully. B. Careless. C. Carefree. Or D. Care. In this sentence, we can use grammar clues. The blank is placed before the verb read. We cannot use an adjective since it is always before a noun. So what we need is an adverb. The only adverb among the choices is correct, letter A, carefully. Number 4. The Department of Education in Philippines held a blank competition. A. Nation. B. International. C. Nationality. Or D. National. According to the grammar rule, what appears before a noun is a verb when it is used as an object. However, in this case, there is a determiner a, then the answer, finally the noun competition, which makes the answer obviously an adjective. There are two adjectives here, which are international and national, but the sentence hints that the competition is held within a country. So the answer is D, national. Number 5. He blank asked me to leave the house. A. Patiently. B. Patient. C. Patience. Or D. Impatient. Look at the word after the blank ask, which is a verb. What describes a verb? Yes, it is an adverb. ly is a common suffix added to a root word to make it into an adverb. Here, patiently is an adverb. Therefore, the answer is A. Patiently. Number 6. We were amazed by the blank speech of the new president. A. Inspired. B. Inspirational. C. Inspire. Or D. Inspiration. Notice the article the and the word speech, which is a noun. It is obvious that the missing word is an adjective. The only adjective among the choices is letter B, inspirational. Number 7. He blank woke the sleeping woman. A. Gently. B. Gentle. C. Gentleman. Or D. Gentleness. The word after the blank is woke. This is the past tense of the verb wake. Adverbs, as we all know, describes how the action is done, and this is what we need in this sentence. What suffix is usually added to the word to make it an adverb? Yes, it is ly. Therefore, the answer is A. Gently. Number 8. All candidates were mentioned during the blank telecast. A. Live. B. Living. C. Boring. Or D. Bored. Again, we can see the article the and the noun telecast. This is a very common pattern, so we need an adjective. The only sensible answer to this is live, meaning broadcast directly at the time of production. Therefore, the answer is A, live. Number 9. She was fascinated with her husband's blank embrace. A, warmer, B, warmly, C, warm, or D, warmed. Embrace in this context is a noun because of the word husband. A word between two nouns is an adjective. Warmer is a noun. Warmly is an adverb. Warmed is a past tense of the verb warm, leaving us with letter C, warm. Last but not the least, number 10. The movie executive producer blank announced the lead actors and actresses. A, pride, B, proudly, C, proud, or D, prideful. Look at the words before and after the blank. Note that producer is a noun and announced is a verb, so we need an adverb to complete the sentence. And the answer is B, proudly. That is all for our lesson today about word families, adverbs, and adjectives. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.